Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, which means I'm back at Aldi. I have my week of meals planned out. So let's get in the store, see what goods they have, what's on my plan. And don't forget, I'll share my meal plan at the end, and any recipes will be linked below. Let's go in. I'm going to get some shelled pistachios, $4.75, easy addition to kids' lunches. We are having nachos for dinner, $1.79 for a bag of chips. I'm going to get two. I'm also gonna get this salsa, 4 peppers. It looks good, $2.49. $1.39 English muffins. My daughter's going to her first ever middle school dance, and I signed up to bring chips. So I'm gonna get 2 bags of barbecue and 2 bags of original at $1.65 each. My daughter wanted pita for her lunch with hummus, but I'm gonna get this instead. Red sticker, yay. My son really enjoyed having these the last couple weeks in his lunch, $1.99. White bread for grilled cheese and for toast, 99 cents. 99 cents for hamburger buns. After I find a decent pack, we're having sloppy joes this week. Green grapes for lunches, 95 cents a pound. Daughter requested these. $2.69 for cauliflower. I just want to chop this up for after school snack with ranch. It's an elite snack. Ooh, just gotta get a good one. Or Brussels sprouts for a dinner side, $2.59. I'm gonna get a couple mangoes to go with our nachos, 69 cents a piece. Mandarins, $3.59. My son wants these in his lunch. I'm going to get carrots for my tomato soup, and for kids' lunches, $1.29. They no longer have a spot for my lettuce, the 3-pack I've been buying for years, so I hope that's not a new thing. But speaking of new, they have all of these new produce shelves, which look really nice. I bought this a few weeks ago. My daughter loved it. Highly recommend. I'm getting 6 cans of these tomatoes for tomato basil soup, 85 cents a piece. I'm gonna get beets for salads. I just love these things so much, $1.79. Grape tomatoes, I'll have some of these for our nachos, but then also for my kids' lunches, maybe. $2.45. Running low on soy sauce, $1.55. Running low on ranch, which is a travesty, so I need more, $3.29. I need croutons for tomato soup. Put it on top, there is no other way, 97 cents. Pub pretzels, $1.99. Good for the lunches. My daughter wanted crackers with hummus, but I'm gonna get her these and see if she wants this instead. She liked these this summer, $2.49. I'm getting a couple granola bars boxes, just running low. It's a pantry staple, $1.85 each. I've been specifically tasked to get Frosted Flakes from Elsie, my middle daughter, $2.79. That is a giant box. My husband wanted Fruit Rounds, $1.43. And he also asked for Cinnamon Life, but they don't have that right now. So we will substitute it with Marshmallows and Stars, $1.55. I'm getting grape juice just to have on hand, $2.49. Look at these cute cards. How adorable are they? I love the pizza one. May your birthday be supreme. That's adorable. They're $1.49. They have winter boots out now, and gloves and snow pants, which is so nice. I'm gonna have to check our stock and see what we have. All of our winter stuff is packed away, but we need to get it out. Look how cute. Different banks, winter boots. It's a good price, obviously. I'm running low on candy, I see. Oh, this is nice. Lined clogs. My son actually would probably really like these. It's one of those things that seems like such a good value that I should buy it, but then I think, do I really need it? I'll think about it. My cats would love that. We need no more cat stuff though. I don't start decorating anywhere until after Thanksgiving, but I do get excited when I see Christmas. Well, I needed iodized salt, but they don't have any. Aldi, what's going on? But I need more shaker Parmesan, and they have that, $2.65. My heart got so excited when I saw red sticker chicken, but we don't eat drumsticks. My husband only likes breast meat. He's picky, I know it. So I have to go to the non-red sticker chicken. I'm gonna go to my frozen. Nothing looks price appealing to me here. 3 pounds of ground beef because I'm gonna make 3 pounds of sloppy Joe mix and freeze some of it. $5.29 a piece. This would be a recipe for disaster because I'm literally the only person that would actually eat this, but it's $3 off. I'm still gonna walk away. I have to get one of these. No choice, $2.09. Yum. Okay guys, look, the poultry is getting more full. Holidays are coming. Lots of different chicken stuff. The chicken Parmesan, shrimp tails, lots of shrimp things here. Lasagna rolls, breadsticks, sweet potatoes, clams, more meatballs, which looks so good to me. Mozzarella, smoked mozzarella ravioli. That sounds so good to me, and I love ravioli, but my kids are ridiculous and will not eat ravioli well, and I don't even know why. French fries. People must like these because they're always in the cabinet, which means they keep them stocked, but buffalo chicken egg rolls, I've never had them. Oh wait, maybe people don't like them. They're on clearance. There's the Swedish style meatballs, pizzas, stromboli. The tarts are still here. Why are they doing this to me? Oh, they're so good. And they're on sale from $3.60 to $3.20. We'll see if next week they're cheaper. I still have 2 in my freezer, but they are so good. Pies, popsicle varieties. I have guacamole for nachos, $4.49. I'm getting 2 bags of cheddar for nachos, $2.59 a piece. It's kind of stocked weird. I'm getting mild cheddar for grilled cheese, $1.89, and I'm gonna get Havarti for $1.59. Looks like we're destined to have to try strawberry, $3.49. I'll report back next week if this compares at all. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I thought those were hash browns, but they apparently don't have any hash browns and they just have fries. Well, I did it to myself. I take all the unflavored and then I'm sad when they don't have any more. Come back to me. This looks really yummy to try. I'm gonna get this for a snack, $4.49. Okay, so here is my cart for the week. Any guesses on total? I do have to run to Meijer to pick up a few things, so we'll see if I do that before I head home. Okay, here's what $113.27 got me this week. Okay, I am going to get these for my cheesy potatoes, $2.39 a piece. I'm getting 2 of them, and I make them in my crock pot. This is why I had to come to Meijer, is get 4 of the cream of onions. I love this. And I use this instead of cream of chicken because I'm a vegetarian. So I'm gonna get 4 of these. They're on sale, 4 for $5. So I got distracted at Aldi and I forgot cottage cheese. So I'm gonna get it here, $2.75. That's what happens when you run into a friend near the dairy. I also forgot to get my sour cream. It's $2.79. I need it for cheesy potatoes and also for nachos. This is all I need. I was considering fresh basil, but that's what they have for this. So I'll stick with my Aldi basil paste. No thanks. Okay, my total today at Meijer was $15.32. Like I said, I just forgot to get sour cream and cottage cheese at Aldi because I was distracted talking to a friend that I ran into, and I missed my dairy completely. I did have to go to Meijer though because Aldi was out of hash browns. I actually prefer the diced potatoes when I make cheesy potatoes. So I was excited that since I had to go to Meijer, these were an option. And then also I had to get cream of onion because I do substitute that for cream of chicken, and it's necessary for the cheesy potatoes. Okay, our meal plan for the week. I'm making sloppy joes. I'm actually gonna make 3 pounds of the meat and freeze some for another meal, probably 2 more meals. We're gonna have French fries, and I'm gonna make carrot fries as well. We're going to my in-laws, and my mother-in-law requested I bring cheesy potatoes, so that's my contribution. I am making gnocchi that I bought last week from the Aldi Finds aisle. I'm gonna make Alfredo, some chicken, and Brussels sprouts. We are just going to have very simple baked nachos. There's no recipe for that. I use my frozen taco meat, Al thought, put it on the tortilla chips with cheese. We'll also have just cheese nachos, and then you load it with whatever toppings you want, whatever we have on hand. We're going to have homemade tomato soup. I use my Instant Pot for that. My husband is going out with a friend one night this week, and he hates tomato soup, so I always make that when he's not here for dinner because the kids and I love it, and grilled cheese. We are also going to have an out-to-eat night. I am actually having a girls' night with one of my friends this week, and I don't know what my husband's going to do, but I'm going out to eat, and he can figure it out. Probably pizza is what my guess is going to be. And then finally, we are going to have either leftovers one night this week or a quick pantry meal. Basically, I didn't plan a meal to leave room for leftovers, or we'll just eat something from our pantry. So this is the meal plan for the week. If you've never seen my tomato soup recipe and you want to see how I make it super simply in the Instant Pot, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.